Hi, this is the third project for my class of electromechanical systems. We are seeing how to use thermistors and programming, well, some kind of programming, and this is how it went. Okay, our components, they're gonna be our LEDs, or 10 kilo ohm resistor, and our thermistor, that this is this small component, as you can see. Cables, and as always, we will be using our breadboard and our Elegoo Junior R3. Okay, our first step is to, my first step is connect the LEDs and the resistor and the thermistor. You can place it whatever you want. I'm gonna put them as follows. Okay, here are our LEDs, and I'm gonna put the resistor and our thermistor in the far end of this side. Okay, as you can see, our resistor and the thermistor are already in place. You can see they are connected. They are in the same row, these legs. So let's put our cables that are going into our Arduino, you know. Okay, as you can see, we have our cables already plugged. The first one is this black one, that is our ground cable. The blue one is on the AO0. This one is connected in the same row as the thermistor and the resistor. As you can see here, it's in the same row. And the last cable is the black one, and that one goes into the 5-volt port, and it goes in the same row as the thermistor left leg. Okay, in this side where we have our LEDs, we're gonna plug another 3 cables which are going into this area of the table of the board that goes into the ground, the -9 and 8, and you will see how they are supposed to be. Okay, as you can see, we have our cables already connected. The white cable is going to be our ground, as you can see here in the board, and I picked these two colors. The red cable goes with the red LED, and the red one goes into the -9 port, or well, the 9 port, and the blue one, that is our green LED, goes into the 8 port. And the next step is to connect it to the computer. Okay, here's our circuit already set up, and our next thing is to connect it to our computer with the USB cable. Okay, the next thing to do is to configure the our port. So we will be using the professor's thermistor with LEDs, So we press it, you load it, and you got this code. You just copy it, and after you go to the sketchboard, and then just paste the code, and the next thing is to upload it. Of course, you need to have your board connected, so you will get configured. Also, you will need to go to tools, and press serial monitor. Okay, this thing is not opening, but here is the window, and you can see our temperatures that the board is registering. And the next thing to do is, or I'm gonna show you what does it do. Okay, now that everything is set up, we can see that we have the green light because of the temperature is low. So if we touch the thermistor, it turns on the red light, so it means that it is getting hotter. So that's how a thermistor works. So you can see the green light turn back on, and we can see the change of temperature here in the screen. I'm touching the thermistor, and these are our numbers, and as you can see, it's red.